I guess it's different actually. Oh yeah, chicken. They're chickens actually.
Yeah, spawn chickens in. Explode the chickens. And filming him exploding a big house thing. It's gonna be cool.
Why are you spawning chickens?
Because we wanted to.
More fun.
We're going to explode the chickens.
It'll make it more sad if I do something as well. More fun as well. Get that.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Making him breathe.
Oh, you meanie. You're making him breathe? How could you?
Go to the creepers. What is that?
Making him breathe?
Jumping up at me.
Okay, shall we leave it at that? I think we've got enough.
They're breeding. He spawns baby ducks.
Oh, look, it's a baby one.
I haven't seen him.
Now, are we going to light this?
Firecracker.
Wait, you missed the spot.
I know it's
About there. Otherwise it won't light.
right now it will.
Go a bit. Put one like there. There. No. Whoa. And there's the damage one. You can make a lake out of that. It's a canyon! That's epic.
Oh,